Have you seen these AI rust removal videos? They're insanely satisfying and ridiculously addictive, and they're blowing up everywhere online right now. Today, I'm showing you the exact step-by-step process to create your own, using just ChatGPT and HitPaw Edimakor. Let's dive in. Step 1. Generate the prompts. First up, we need to build our blueprint. Head over to ChatGPT and search for AI rust removal videos. It will break down the format and key characteristics of these videos and suggest several creative themes. Pick your favorite one, then ask it to generate the specific image prompts and image-to-video prompts. Also, I've dropped a master prompt in the description below. You can copy it directly and follow along with me step by step. Just grab that image prompt and let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Generate the image. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Once you open the software, go to AI Image, Image Generate, Text to Image. Choose a model. I'm using Google Nano Banana 2 for this task. Paste the image prompt you copied from ChatGPT. Configure your resolution, aspect ratio, and output quantity, then simply hit Generate. You'll instantly get a high-quality scene photo. To keep everything consistent, set your first image as a reference image. Then, input the prompt for scene 2. Repeat this workflow for every scene until your entire asset library is ready. Step 3. Generate the video. Once your scene image is ready, right-click to choose Image to Video. Here, I'll show you two methods. Method 1. Generate the video clip one by one. Select a model. I'm using Seedance 2.0. Next, paste the video motion prompt for the corresponding scene. Set your desired duration and resolution. Hit Generate and watch the magic happen. Once all your clips are rendered, simply drag them onto the timeline. Trim, splice, add transitions, or throw in some sound effects. And just like that, your AI rust removal video is complete. Method 2. Reference to video. Here's the shortcut. Click Reference to Video and stick with Seedance 2.0. Upload all your scenes, then paste the master story prompt from my doc below. Then, adjust your duration and resolution, hit Generate, and your video will be ready in minutes. Super easy, right? Now you can create endless, satisfying rust removal videos featuring any object you can imagine. Step 4. Publish to get free credits. Once you export your video, don't forget to publish to social media. Add #EdimakorAI when posting to earn 60 free credits. HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.